OpenAI plans to deprioritize expanding into new side projects to refocus on its core tools, according to a new report.
Command AI.
During an all-hands meeting, OpenAI leaders told employees it would focus on business productivity tools rather than trying to do everything all at once, according to leaked materials seen. This move comes as the brand faces increased competition from Anthropic's Claude AI tools. And how? I really think OpenAI are falling behind quite a lot, personally. They're a bit lost in the sauce and are lacking a lot of direction and focus, which again, I guess things like Sora was just, apparently they're supposed to be moving that into ChatGPT, but there we go. The brand is exploring hardware gadgets designed by Jony Ive, as well as upgrading other projects such as the Sora video generation and Atlas web browser. Because when you release something, it's got to be better. You know, there's only so many people who are going to be happy with like, oh, it's a new product and, you know, give it time and stuff like that. But when you're launching to a large audience, you kind of need to have it better, as good, if not better, than the current competition. If you're a small startup, of course, get it out there and get people using it. But if you've got an audience already, you can't be releasing crap like OpenAI have. So yeah, anyway, that's that. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Command AI.